Hello all. In the session we are going to discuss about the posting and sending the parameters. A function can get the parameters and the messages through the arguments passed to it or a global variables the reference to which are made by it. Posting and sending the parameters. Parameters are the important part of the programs which are under execution. It can be passed, it can be saved through the arguments. Functions returns the results of the operation. So whatever the operations which people are going to do on a program, it is going to return its results. ISR. When it comes to the interrupt service routine, it using the IPS functions, it sends the signals, tokens, messages. ISR can't use the mutex protection of the critical sections by the wait signal, tokens or the message. The ISR using the IPS functions, but it is not going to use the mutex. Why we are going to discuss later. Next, task. It can send the signals and the messages. It can wait for the signals and the message using the IPC functions, interprocess communication process. It can use the mutex or lock protection of the code section by wait for the token or lock at the section beginning and the messages and the post the token or unlock at the section end. So it is what is going to happen. There is a mutex is there which is going to be a locked which is going to be locked up. To understand this, you have to understand the working of operating system. So when it going to happen in the operating system, a token is coming with one of the messages. So that have to be taken care, that token have to be taken care, and that signal is nothing but taken it as an interrupt. It have to be unlocked it, and next whatever the message in that signal is there, that have to be execute, and next it have to send the its particular result. Next important comes the semaphore as an event signaling the variables and resources key. So binary semaphore, let the token, flag or event occurrence is an initial value equal to 0. Assume that S is the increments for 0 to 1 for the signaling for notifying the occurrence of an event from the section of the codes in a task or a thread. When the event is taken note by section in another task waiting for that event, then S is decremented from 1 to 0 and waiting the task code starts from another action. So initially the token is set to be 0. When the S, that is nothing but the semaphore, is incremented from 0 to 1, it is signaling that the event is going to under execution. When the event is taken by the section in another task waiting for another event, then the decrements from 1 to 0, that is nothing but that the task is either suspended mode, either in the completed mode, and the waiting code starts in another action. When S equal to 1, assume that it has been released and it has no task code section has taken yet. When S equal to 0, assume that it has been accepted and the other task code has been not taken yet. So S is nothing but the idle, 1 is either under process or either completed. When an ISR can release a token, a task can release the token as well as accept the token or wait for another token. Operating system functions for semaphores as an event signaling the variable for notifying the variables. Let a binary boolean variable S represent the semaphore. The post operation on S signals or notifies the operation on the communicating the occurrence of an event S increments equal to 1. For communicating after the taking the note of an event, S is decremented to 0. Notifying the variable is like a token. Acceptance of the token is a taking the note of that event and then decrement. S becomes 0 from 1. Release of a token, S is the occurrence of an event, S becomes 1 from 0. Assume operating system semaphore post is an operating system interprocess communication function for posting a semaphore operating system sends pending, that is posting and the pending, another operating system IPC function for waiting for the semaphore. Uses in the ACVM, chocolate delivery task. After the task delivers the chocolate, it has to notify the display task to run the waiting section of the code to display. Collect the nice chocolates, thank you, visit again. The waiting section for the displaying the thank you message takes this notice that it starts or displaying the thank you message. So when is what is going to happen for timing? Assume that you people went for the chocolate delivery machine, you people are inserting the 5 rupees coin. Next it is going to deliver the one chocolate. That time it have to be send the message, collect the nice chocolates, thank you, visit again. And after taking this chocolate, it has to be again rescheduled, insert a 5 rupees coin again. So in this manner, this semaphore or IPC is going to work. Okay, so this is all about the fourth module. In interaction class, if you have any doubts, we are going to clear it. Thank you.